Hello everyone.
We're Joel and Lia and today we are in, where are we?
Where are we? Beverly Hills.
Beverly Hills.
That's where we are.
A great place to try Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, perfect. This is probably the most swanky Chick-fil-A that I've seen.
Yeah, we've driven past a few and they don't look this fancy.
No. We're currently in a Westfield. What's it called? Century City Mall.
Yes, we were told to come here for shopping.
Yeah.
We came across a Chick-fil-A. We've been told we have to try the chicken from Chick-fil-A.
Honestly.
So we're just doing what we're told, really.
We're doing what we're told. Everyone wants to see us at Chick-fil-A, so we've never tried it. We don't have it in the UK.
No.
We love chicken. Chicken's our favourite food, so
I'm guessing the closest thing we have in the UK is KFC?
KFC, yeah, or Nando's, I don't know.
Let's go find out.
Let's go find out.
Here it is. Can't see the sign because it is so...
Line entrance this way.
Chick-fil-A. Right, what are we ordering? Let's have a look. Meal, I love it. Do you know what I love? When they number the order. When you say, I need, yeah, just a 6.
6, I want a 7.
Yeah.
What if you're really greedy and you're like, I want a 6, 7, 8, I want a 1, 2, 3.
3. I want a 2.
I want a 2, 3, 4.
And I want an unfillable, wait, not an unfillable, refillable drink.
Oh, they do hand spun milkshakes. How do you spin a milkshake?
I have no idea.
I don't know.
It must be something they do like on a farm.
Maybe.
Like spinning it in like a big pot.
Churning it.
Churning.
Do you know what you want?
I'll be getting bottled water, so I'm really
Of course you are. Original. That's what she is.
And I'll be getting something... Did I just see someone walking away from Chick-fil-A?
That's me.
Beef?
Beef at Chick-fil-A. Beef fillet.
Beef fillet. Okay, let's go try it.
Okay.
Right. Oh. We'll go after him. No, we'll go after you. Fine. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Hello. Please can we have one smokehouse barbecue bacon sandwich?
You want the meal or just lunch?
Can I get a meal, please? So do you get the crinkle? Get the crinkle, and can I get water instead of fizzy drink, please?
Do you want a bottle of water or just a
Bottle, please. Yeah.
medium?
Can I get a number 2 meal? And can I get a Diet Coke with that?
Joel, just Joel. Thank you.
Joyce is my name, but not hers.
Yeah.
Even though yours is probably more common.
Privacy.
Over here.
Privacy. It's a stupid reason. Is that refillable or not?
Which one? The soda?
The Coke, yeah, the soda, yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Did you get 2 of those, please?
Yeah, I'll get 2.
Look at the size of them.
They're huge, aren't they?
Absolutely amazing.
Dip and squeeze.
So Joel, first things first, let's see what the damage was.
What was the damage?
The damage was
22,
27. Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
That's
No.
pretty good. Do you want mayonnaise?
Yes.
Texas Pete.
I'll have a Texas Pete.
Texas
What's
Pete,
that?
that's hot sauce.
No thanks, no
I'll
thanks.
try Texas Pete.
I'll try
I'll
a mayo with my, because I like to do mayo ketchup in the fries.
Mayo, okay. Do you want a mint?
I'll have some salt. No, I don't want mint. And some salt. Thank you very much, Joel.
Right.
And some napkins.
Sick. Privacy.
Yeah.
We're so excited.
Right. The unboxing.
The unboxing, go on then.
Did they spell your name right? Joe.
Joe. See, that's why if you say Joel, everyone always gets it wrong, whereas you can't go wrong with Leah. Although they do spell it wrong, they spell it E-L-E-A-H. They look nice.
Incorrect.
Oh.
Crinkle fries. Take 2. Here's a spicy deluxe.
Yes.
That's yours.
Let's have a look.
Let's
3,
see
2, 1.
what's inside.
Okay.
That's what we're dealing with. And this is my barbecue bacon.
Okay. Show the camera your feelings. Okay.
Right. And I also got the crinkle fries, which I'll be putting in here.
Yeah, tip away. I'll do the same.
Tip that away.
Oh, lovely. Rubbish.
Wait, hang on. There's a spare crinkle fry.
You can have it. You have it.
Rubbish.
Right, rubbish goes in there.
Lovely.
Fantastic.
Right.
Well, do you want to try?
You do first taste test. I've got with some toothpaste.
Okay.
I'm going to go after.
Sure. Okay, we're ready. Firstly,
okay,
you
Joel.
just have to be a bit liberal with the salt on these chips. So
Okay.
I need to rip it open.
Yeah, correct.
Lovely.
This table's a bit movie.
Yeah, it's just crinkle cut fry.
Yeah, just a crinkle cut fry.
Right, spicy deluxe burger.
Okay, ready? Yeah.
That's good, but it does just taste like KFC. No, that's really nice.
But it's basically
That's chicken
KFC.
burger. But what differentiates it from KFC?
So we've come all the way to Beverly Hills for a KFC.
KFC.
Okay.
And it takes longer to say the name, Chick-Fil-A. I'd rather say
KFC. What's the drink like?
Drink is amazing.
Amazing.
Oh my gosh. Best Diet Coke ever.
I think their logo looks a bit like a foot.
Yeah, you said it was a foot, didn't you?
Yeah, to me that's a footprint.
Yeah.
But it's meant to be a chicken, so that's a bit misleading.
I mean, it's fine. It's really nice, but it's nothing that I've not tasted before.
Okay. All natural sea salt. Different to the other salt I've seen in America thus far, which is said
iodized or something.
Oopsie.
People are going to come at us and be like, "You're so unhealthy with the salt." Stunning. Now pick up the bad boy.
The money maker.
The money maker. Here we go.
Good sign so far. I'm seeing crispy bacon.
It's got a nice amount of lettuce in there. That was a pathetic bite. Pathetically, a pathetic. Is that nice? What was yours again? The barbecue.
Now that is nice.
Really?
Honestly. That is so nice.
Wow, you think?
I really like that.
Very
That's
nice.
I'm just going to pick out all the healthy bits because I can do healthy when I get home.
That's so true. You don't come to America to be healthy.
No, you don't.
No.
That's stunning.
Okay, comment down below if you think Leah's bites are pathetic. I mean, I know she's ill, but seriously, that's triggering me. Take a big bite out of it.
I can't, Joel, because I can't chew on this side.
Oh.
Don't get triggered.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Honestly,
Not bothered.
I'm not bothered. ASMR?
Yeah.
That's as big as I can do.
Okay. I think we both approved. Chick-fil-A is Joel Lia approved. We like it.
That is the softest chicken I've ever put in my mouth.
Isn't it?
Sorry, I just had a flashback to another video where I said something about meat in my mouth in the comments.
Yeah, the comments. We should know better really, but I think we're just so innocent that we say things and then people are like, ooh.
Sorry, I just saw the steam coming off my Chick-fil-A and I was like,
Stunning.
come to mama.
Come to mama.
Remember when we met that Uber driver? And she was like,
yeah.
I've been getting Chick-fil-A ever since I was a little girl.
Yeah.
It means a lot to me and my family.
Yeah, she was like, it's more than just a burger to me.
Yeah, she was like, I get the same order I got ever
And the
since
ice
I was
cream.
a little girl.
She said she gets ice cream
She's
there.
cute. She said she got the chicken nuggets, didn't she?
Did she?
Such a kid's meal. Cute.
Yeah,
She's really cute.
Everyone's really protective over their favourite fast food joint. Like we've met people who like hate Chick-fil-A but they love In-N-Out. People that hate In-N-Out, they like Chick-fil-A or they prefer McDonald's.
Yeah.
People are really protective over it.
Yeah. I'm not protective, I'm just a tourist.
Yeah, we just like food.
Absolutely.
I'm triggered for two reasons. Firstly, I'm not full.
Okay.
And secondly, look at the amount of ice in that.
That is
I
ridiculous.
had like a sip of Diet Coke.
It comes up to there.
It comes up to there.
Wow.
This has triggered me back everywhere in America, not just Chick-fil-A. The amount of ice
Yeah.
you put in drinks is appalling. I don't want
I'm just
ice.
going to use it to wash my hands because they don't give you a wet wipe.
I'm glad you're getting use out of it.
Yeah, double use.
And now I've got to walk all the way back up there to ask for more Diet Coke because it was mainly ice, no Diet Coke. And I know I could have asked for no ice, but I just expect them not to put that much in. In England, they don't do that.
I think they must do it because of the heat out here.
No, they do it because they're cheapskates. And they're like,
they get
we
more
don't
money.
Give away Diet Coke.
Can I have another ice cube for my other hand,
Of course
please?
you can, Sally.
Joel, I think the problem is I really enjoyed that, but I too am not completely full.
Yeah.
Like,
we're not full.
imagine if we were the kind of vloggers that were like, right, second course, let's go, let's order again from the menu. Like, that would be shocking for our body.
We're gonna have to get dessert. We're gonna have to get a froyo or something.
Okay, well I've seen a healthy ice cream thing down there I want to try.
Okay, well we'll do that because this did not fill us up Chick-fil-A.
Oh, I loved it though. Can I just say I loved it?
Yeah, it was very nice.
Whilst we were off camera eating, apparently there's some controversy around Chick-fil-A and where their money goes.
Yeah.
Now I don't know anything about that, but all I do know is that that was a nice burger.
Yeah.
So please, you know, can I just apologise in advance if we've triggered anyone? We just came here for the food. There is nothing about politics on this channel. We don't talk about it. People come here for, I don't know why, really.
Fun.
They just come for fun. So,
we think.
We hope.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this isn't political at all. This is just a nice chicken burger.
It's a nice foot burger.
Nice foot burger, isn't it? Oh, careful.
Right, so someone, one of my friends told me that Fresh Juicery, where is it? Fresh Juicery does the best healthy ice cream.
It's just plant-based dessert.
Yeah, it's basically made out of like vegetables.
Okay, that's what we need after Chick-fil-A.
Exactly. Come on in.
Come on in. As if you own
As if I own the place.
Come on
So
in.
we're looking at the free section up there. Vanilla, that's the best flavour apparently.
Is it?
Or we can try whatever. I'm going to try vanilla.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to get.
Okay.
You're not that impressed, are you? I
prefer
can try
Yogurtland.
You get Yogurtland, I'll go here. Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
Some toppings here, so I'm guessing you make a very healthy, plant-based ice cream. How many toppings do you get?
3.
Oh, cool. Which ones would you recommend?
The almond butter, a cookie crumble looks really good.
Yeah.
And then chocolate chips.
Yeah, that sounds nice. Yeah. Thanks. Oh.
Wow, lovely. Give it a taste test, huh?
Right, so this is made out of vegetables. Wow.
Is it nice?
That's really nice.
Is it good?
It tastes healthy, but then unhealthy because of the...
Oh, it's nice how that's set on that side. Let's try and focus on this. Oh, yeah. It doesn't look healthy, which is the nice thing.
I mean, it really isn't with the bits on the outside. Let's go and get you a yogurt then.
So we had this the other day and I couldn't resist because it's right opposite from the Press Juicery. So I was like, I'm going to have Yogurtland.
Now, when we went here the other day, they
Yeah.
actually gave it to us for free.
I know.
That was the best day ever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I doubt it will happen again.
But yeah, you go in there, hon. You do some
Okay.
yogurt. Shall I film you? Or I don't know if I'm allowed.
alright.
Am I allowed
No.
in with this?
Right.
I'll wait here for you. I'll wait here for you. Okay. You know what it's like when you go in somewhere and you're eating something from a rival brand. It's not very nice, is it? So I'll sit here enjoying my Press Juicery whilst Joel gets his flavours of yogurts. There's a load more toppings in there. I'm really enjoying this. Look at him, Mr. Muscles inside there. He's really coming on well. Hello. He looks lovely today, doesn't he? Here he is.
Go. I'm very boring. I
Hang on
went
a
for
minute.
birthday cake batter and Oreo, and then I just got a bit of chocolate just because I wanted it. I didn't fancy any toppings.
Are you joking?
Yeah,
What's
nothing spoke to
that?
me. It's just ice cream with a bit of a chocolate bar.
Oh, that's nice. Just something simple.
It's just me being me, really.
Yeah. So that flavour is cake batter.
At the bottom, birthday cake batter
Oh yeah, and then
and Oreo on top,
lovely.
and then Oreo chocolate bar.
We just do what we need to do, don't we? Really.
We do what we want because we're allowed.
We had Chick-fil-A and then we were like, we just need something sweet. That is classic Joel and Lia.
It's probably the perfect way to sign off this vlog.
Absolutely. Let's sign it off. Well, there you have it, guys.
Yeah, that's
Tried
Brits trying
Chick-fil-A
Chick-fil-A.
for the first time. I'm thrilled. I'm really glad we did that. If you like this, why not go and watch our Brits try In-N-Out burger for the first time, because we love that as well.
That was
didn't we?
insane.
That was
There's
good.
also old school ones like us trying Whataburger, us trying White Castle for the first
yeah.
time. There's loads of Wendy's, everything. So take a look if you enjoyed it.
And yeah, if this is the first video you've watched, why not subscribe to our channel? We do more than just eat.
Sometimes.
We drink a lot of Prosecco.
We do. We have a lot of fun. So subscribe. We post videos
Thrice weekly, twice on this channel, and once on our personals. So we'll see you next time.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.